Hello, and welcome to this short video on the Kupo High View Stand. The Kupo High View Stand can take your imaging to new heights. It is designed to take an action camera or other small camera up to a dizzying height of 23.9 feet. It is a perfect choice for event, landscape, real estate, and large group photography. The High View Stand is easy to transport due to its aluminum construction, weighing only 23.8 pounds and collapsing to 5.7 feet in length. It also includes a carrying case. The top of the stand features a 3/16 mounting plate with a triple eyelid flange designed for a bracing kit for windy conditions. You can also simply use the included nylon ropes to tether it to the ground. Let's get our camera mounted on the stand. First, let's bag our stand for safety. Next, we'll mount a ball head to give us flexibility with our shot. Just screw the ball head clockwise until snug. Mount the ball head's quick release plate to the bottom of the camera using the 1/4-20 screw. Now mount the camera to the top of the ball head and make sure it is secure. Make sure that you pre-angle the camera because it will be difficult to reach at 24 feet in the air. For additional security, this stand comes equipped with a steel tether cable to make sure there is no possibility of your expensive gear plummeting 24 feet to an early death. 3 leveling legs allow you to balance the stand on an incline or uneven terrain. The High View Stand comes with a column-mounted bubble level to make sure your stand is vertical. For more peace of mind, the legs have a rubber foot for non-slip stability. The center column can be lowered independently to give you a 4th point of contact with the ground, giving you a solid foundation. The incredible height of the stand allows you to capture dynamic imagery from a bird's eye view. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.